Bismillah Rahman Rahim. We have a case that a 6-year-old girl came to the clinic and she complains of high grade fever, difficulty in swallowing, and painful swallowing, and also swelling around the neck. And physically, there is noted cervical lymph nodes enlargement. Investigations, there is no needed investigations, and CBC may show the increasement of WBC. What are the preventions? Bed rest, soft diet, and warm diet. Treatment. Remember one thing: avoid cool water and cool things. Should not be eaten. And what is the treatment of this? There is prescribed azithromycin, 10 mg per kg, and paracetamol, 40 mg per kg per day. You can also administer ibuprofen. There is also used Kikoy Maxikilev Kilamox. This is all about the case.